At New Hope Laboratories, we offer accessories to make your experience with our pouches and belts easier. One of our accessories that we offer is the hole cutter tool. The hole cutter tool is for 2-piece systems only, and it creates a clean, consistent, and accurate opening in various barriers and flanges. To safely use our cutter tool, place your wafer on a cutting board, set the cutter onto the desired placement on your wafer, and press in a circular motion using your body weight, as shown here. This way, an effective cut will be made all the way through. If you have any questions or concerns, or need to resharpen your hole cutter, just call our customer service reps at 1-800-899-5017. Thank you for watching.